In this video I'm going to show you how to change audio language in YouTube videos. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, make sure your YouTube apps is up to date on your iPhone or Android. To check up to date or not, open Play Store or App Store just like that and searching for YouTube, and as you can see here is mine one is available update. So tap on update and it will be start updating. It depend on your Wi-Fi speed. Then as you can see it's updating. It take few second or minute, so you need to wait. So as you can see updating, and just you need to wait and just updating. I hope yes, it's done. Then tap on open, and actually this changing audio language feature is not available for all creator. This feature available for some of creator like Mr. Beast. So searching for Mr. Beast, then play any video of his channel. So as you can see, if I volume up, so by default it's playing English audio. So I'm going to change other language, and here so tap on gear icon, then here is audio track. So by default it's selected to English original. So if I tap here, and as you can see here's lots of language available here. I can select France. So if I play, it's play French language, and I can change other language like Hindi. So if I play, then playing on Hindi language. So that way you can change audio language in YouTube videos. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.